I live right up the street. We got a ride. I just live on 5th and Mass.
Okay.
You're a sweetheart for asking.
God bless you. Thank you so much for your compassion.
Yes. If it was me in that position, I'd have had you back there in 2 seconds.
Thank you so much.
God bless.
God bless you.
So, Mom,
too,
how are you? Here, hang on here. How are you feeling now?
I'm really dizzy.
Okay.
And I'm not coming back to a hospital again.
Well,
I'm done.
But, Mom, if you're actually having a stroke, then we need to, we'll take you to Sacred Heart.
No, I'm done with it, Mark.
Okay. Because that could kill you.
Well, I know. I told him that I walked out, and I'm not going back anywhere.
So, but there is $5 and quarters sitting on your table.
Thank you, honey.
I took care of that. So
you took care of your responsibility.
So,
thank you so much, Mark.
Yeah. So, now, can you feel that when I touch you there?
I can, but I'm real dizzy, so I just got to get home. I got to take the warfarin that Amanda gave me to take today.
Okay.
And that's going to help a lot.
Okay.
But this is the last time I'll ever go to a hospital.
But, Mom, if you're having a stroke, we need to stop that stroke. Okay.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm not going back, Mark.
But
and I'm not going. And I'll take the warfarin. And so. And I'll call her in the morning and explain to her what happened.
Okay.
See if she's there. I will touch bases with her.
And I want you to follow up with who's your neurologist?
I don't have a neurologist now.
See if we could fix that.
And I'll talk with Dr. Hayes about that.
Yeah, and I'd like to see if we could get a neurology referral for you to get you hooked up with one.
Well, we'll go through that.
And as quickly as possible.
I'll talk with them.
As quickly as possible.
And because
fires must be acting up.
I know. Can you roll your window up? It's kind of cold. Thank you so much. Thank you for that $5 too.
I got to have a little bit of air.
I know.
So, but that
no,
it's not you. It's not you. It's not you. It's the smoke. It's not as bad as it's been.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Well, I'm gonna go home and take the warfarin dose that Amanda told me to take for today.
Yeah, I wonder if your vitamin K levels are too high.
I don't know. We don't worry about that.
That's a contributing factor.
But we don't know, Mark.
So
Amanda's really good at this.
Yeah, she is.
And I'm just gonna take what she has in my pill box for me to take for today.
So she upped it. Did she up it quite a bit?
I don't know.
Okay.
She filled my pill box.
Okay.
And I'm gonna see her next week, but I'll call her tomorrow and tell her what happened.
Okay.
And I'll go into details.
Okay. So do you have full sensation on both sides? You're able to move all your limbs? Okay.
I am.
And I don't see any facial droopage on one side, but I'm gonna be keeping an eye on you for that.
And there's no
and your speech is clear.
My speech is clear. Okay. I've been checked for a stroke.
Okay.
There.
So can you hear me clearly? Because sometimes, depending on what region of the brain the stroke occurs in, your hearing, your ability to clearly hear could also be impacted.
I couldn't hear very well earlier, but I can now.
Okay. And I think what we need to do is we need to look at ways that your stress levels can be reduced.
Well, they need to deal with me honestly at these hospitals.
Well, it's not just that, but we need to look at your stress period. We need to look at trying to take steps to reduce that.
Some people are not doing the right things that they need to do.
Oh yeah, I get that.
And it's not my problem.
No, but I'm wanting to know what I can do to help continue to reduce your stress level too.
I know, and you have to go doing just what you are, Mark. Just who you are. That's